Desert, it is a sweet dish. Desert, it is a hot dry place full of sand. Accept, it means to agree. Accept, it means to exclude something. Principles, it means truth, belief, or theory. Principal, it means a head of college or school. Advice, it is a noun. Advise, it is a verb. Affect, it is a verb. It means to make a difference. Effect, it is a noun. It means a change, a result of an action. Breath, it is a noun. It is the air that goes in and out of your lungs. Breathe, it is a verb. It means to exhale or inhale. Disinterested, it means impartial. Uninterested, it means bored or not wanting to be involved. Immigrate, it means to move into a country. Emigrate, it means to move away from a country to live in some other places. Inquire, it is used in British English. It means to request information. Inquiry, it is used in American. It is also used to request information. Further, it refers to physical distance. Further, it refers to metaphorical distance. Gratitude to all of you for watching this video and keep on watching our channel for more videos.